Hey everyone, this is Pranjal from Yo Brandmate and we turned 2 today. That means Yo Brandmate or Illusion Private Limited as an entity was registered on 22nd February 22. Actually, it was a very significant step up for us because before that I was just working as an individual freelancer. But now after that date, it was a significant step for us so that we can diverse our services and work with a team. Actually, it gave us a lot of different exposure and opportunities that I thought or I believe that we would have never got. So I also wanted to thank everyone who have been trusting us since day zero, to the clients who have been trusting us when we had nothing in our portfolio, who just took a bet on me, and the team who have been working with us constantly from day zero, right? So nothing but all I have is gratitude that you guys are with us and trusting us all along. We have been constantly iterating our processes and our offerings so we can be relevant today as our clients grows and we can be relevant to them as an agency. Talking about services, we all know that 2023 and 24 was significant in AI researches and development and bringing those researches into real life ongoing business processes. Even for us, 2024 is gonna be a year where we're gonna focus a lot on AI researches and how we can bring those solutions in real life so that it can benefit you guys as a company and your end customers, changing and impacting their lives as much as possible in the way that we would have never imagined. I believe in our individual capacity or organizational capacity, or even with the partners that we might work with, I'm gonna make sure that 2024 is gonna be the year where we'll be bringing a lot of new range of services in our offerings. We move fast as the world grows. So thank you so much everyone for being part of our journey since day zero and trusting us since day zero. Thank you so much. Bye.